Can you shoot a complete video using an iPhone as a camera? There's a general misconception that for a video to be well recorded and of good quality, you need an incredible camera. But in reality, your concern should be different. Having an amazing camera doesn't mean much if you don't know how to use it, or more importantly, if you don't know how to compose your video, set up a cool scene, light your video effectively, and have good audio. But let's get into it. Today's video is being entirely recorded using the iPhone 14 Pro Max in cinematic mode, and I will be using some products from SmallRig that they sent over to the channel. Keep in mind that you don't need to use the same gear that I'm using, but they will give you an idea of what you can use to shoot your videos with your iPhone. These beach scenes turned out really beautiful and its quality is great. For this recording, we used the SmallRig smartphone cage to help stabilize the video, and actually it's more comfortable to hold the iPhone this way. It has 4 coat shoe mounts to attach a microphone and an LED light, for example, and other threaded holes so you can attach it to a tripod or other accessories. So for those who really want to use the iPhone for professional video recording, having a cage is practically indispensable because it makes your life so much easier and it also protects your device. Here on the channel, we use cages on our regular cameras as well. Since there was no spoken part in these shots, the cage was the only additional accessory that we used. However, right now, for this spoken segment of the video in a completely different indoor setting, I'm also using artificial lighting and a wireless mic. This light is the RC120D and it has become our favorite here on the channel. I really love its versatility, and for this shot it is aimed at me with an umbrella in front, so it softens the shadows a little bit. But for B-roll recording, for example, I usually just point it at the ceiling without the umbrella and it lights up the whole room. The RC120 offers adjustable intensity levels, diverse angles, and it is compatible with an array of mounting supports and other accessories. For the audio, I'm using the Wave W1C, which is a compact and practical wireless lav mic to bring good quality audio to the video. Many people are not aware of this, but audio quality is an important aspect of video production. I confess that I cannot watch videos with bad audio, and it might be even more important than the video quality itself. But let me know what you think about this down below in the comments. And since I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which still has the Lightning port, I had to buy a new USB-C adapter, which was pretty cheap, and I needed this to plug the receiver into the iPhone. But aside from that, the setup process is very straightforward. The only thing you need to do is plug the receiver into the iPhone and clip the microphone to your clothes. Its wireless transmission goes up to 100 meters, so you're not limited to recording close to your iPhone at all times, and the battery life is pretty good too. It lasts up to 5 hours of continued use, or up to 30 hours with the use of the charging case. SmallRig also sent me this charging tripod, which is great, especially for vloggers, because you can charge your camera or iPhone while recording. It features a 4000 milliamp battery, and the tripod is also very well built, sturdy, and it features a ball head that allows you to adjust the angles of your recordings. So, what do you think of this video shot with the iPhone 14 Pro Max? I thought the quality turned out great, and again, it shows us that you don't really need a lot of equipment to record a high quality video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.